Learn fluency in English with 70 plus sentences in Beginner's English lesson number 22. The topic is packing for vacations. You can improve your English and fluency by becoming a special member of the channel or a primary member of the channel. You can attend live classes and interact with me. This lesson teaches you to talk about vacation packing in English. There are two situations in this lesson. The first one is a seaside vacation. The second one is a vacation in the mountains. Listen to each word and each sentence carefully. Improve your pronunciation by repeating each sentence aloud. Improve your vocabulary by noting down all the difficult words. Practice using each of these words many times. Learn good grammar by looking at each sentence construction. Let us begin with the first one about visiting the seaside. We are going on a vacation. All of us are visiting the seaside. Let us pack our suitcases. I'll take my swimsuit. Do you want to take your bikini? All of us need beach towels. The sun may be very hot in this season. Shall we take some sunscreen? Also, there may be mosquitoes or other insects. I think we need to pack some mosquito or insect repellent cream. You can't wear these formal clothes at the seaside. Take some casuals like sundresses. These cotton dresses are the best. Boys, you can take your t-shirts. Do you have a pair of good sunglasses? Don't forget them, otherwise you will hurt your eyes. Shall we pack some flip-flops too? We know that the beach will be sandy. We can walk barefoot there. But when we go from our room to the beach, we shall need footwear. And when we are traveling from home, we need to wear proper shoes. Let's keep in mind that our luggage should not be too heavy. In case we buy something there, we should have space for it. So, let's take only what we require. A few medicines, a first aid box are a must. Now we are ready for our seaside vacation. Shall we move to the second of our vacations? Let us now see what you need to pack to go to the mountains. For our mountain vacation, I need to buy some snow boots. Oh, I have a spare pair of snow boots. Do you think they will fit you? Let me try. Yes, they are perfect. What about leather jackets? It'll be snowing when we reach there. We shall need a lot of warm clothes. I have a leather jacket already. Instead of a leather jacket, I prefer a puffy with hood. It is very difficult to move around with a heavy leather jacket. We also need a woolen muffler with the jacket or a woolen cap for your head. Warm socks and gloves to keep your hands and feet warm. What about thermal innerwear? Oh yes, we need to wear many layers to beat the cold. But how will we carry so many things? Well, since we are not used to such cold weather, we have to be careful. If we go without these, we may have to buy them there. That would be a waste of money. We may find many nicer items to buy in those places. We should carry the essentials from here and not waste money on them. I'll carry all the warm clothes you have listed. No need for you to carry these cotton dresses. You will freeze if you wear cotton clothes. Then, what should I wear under the jacket? I would recommend Cotswool. It will keep you protected. I have some woolen sweaters. Will that do? Should I pack them? That's better than cotton, certainly. Maybe I should buy some Cotswool tops. I can wear them with jeans then. That sounds good. I came across some very smart Cotswool tops online. Please help me choose a few of them. Once I put all these in, our packing is done. With that, we come to the end of this lesson, which is for beginners, and the number is 22. Watch all the other 21 lessons, practice, send your comments, and become members of the channel as soon as you can. Thank you and all the best.